1964 Corvette Fuelie. Rally red on red leather. Nice and soft. Little wear on the seat, a little bit, but not much. Beautiful hearts, canvas top, wood wheel. Nice headlight alignment. All the chrome is beautiful on it. Couple things. There's like a small line from the top being up and down, just like an impression. And there's a little crack right here. Very hard to catch, but it's there. Right here. And there's also one in the corner of this hood right here. And a couple, little chips, touch-ups from use. But overall, it looks amazing. There's that all the way close. There we go. '64 Corvette, fuel injected. Tucson Classic Motor Company.